Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Japanese cuisine as we learn the art of making easy and delicious Seattle sushi rolls at home. So, grab your apron and let's get started. A. The art of sushi making. Standing next to a traditional Japanese painting of sushi, sushi making is truly an art form, steeped in rich history and culture. Originating from Japan, this culinary craft has captivated people for centuries. It's all about precision, presentation, and flavors that delight the senses. B. Importance of quality ingredients and tools. Holding up a fresh fish and various ingredients. To create authentic sushi, we must start with the best ingredients. Fresh fish, crisp vegetables, and high-quality rice are essential. And don't forget the specialized tools like sharp knives and bamboo mats, which elevate the sushi making process to a whole new level. 2. List of ingredients and tools. Presenting a table with the listed items. Let's take a look at the key ingredients and tools we'll need for our Seattle sushi roll adventure. From sushi rice and fresh seafood to the bamboo rolling mat, we've got everything covered. IV. Prepare the basic sushi rice. In the kitchen, holding a bag of short-grain Japanese rice, before we start rolling, we need to master the art of sushi rice. It's the foundation of every great sushi creation. Washing rice under water. Washing and rinsing the rice is crucial to achieving the perfect texture. Adding sushi vinegar to rice, and let's not forget the secret ingredient, sushi vinegar. This is what gives the rice its signature tangy flavor. V. Rolling the sushi. Smiling with the sushi mat in hand. Now that our rice is ready, it's time for the fun part, rolling the sushi. Demonstrating how to use the mat, lay down the nori, spread the rice evenly, and add your favorite fillings. Get creative. Showcasing different sushi roll types. Proudly presenting the finished sushi rolls. Look at these beauties. From classic California rolls to visually stunning dragon rolls, the possibilities are endless. V. Sushi etiquette and serving suggestions. Seated at a table with sushi, sake, and tea. Before we indulge in our homemade sushi, let's talk about sushi etiquette and how to present these delicious creations beautifully. Pouring sake into a glass. Pairing sushi with sake enhances the flavors and makes for an unforgettable experience. 7. Advanced sushi making techniques, optional. In the kitchen, showcasing sashimi, feeling adventurous? Let's explore some advanced sushi making techniques, like the exquisite art of sashimi and gunkan maki. 8. Troubleshooting common sushi making issues. Holding a messy sushi roll. Now, I understand that making sushi can have its challenges. Fear not. I've got some tips to troubleshoot common issues. Congratulations! You've mastered the art of making Seattle sushi rolls at home. I hope you enjoyed this culinary adventure as much as I did. Eating a piece of sushi. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to try new combinations and have fun with it. Encouraging viewers to share their creations, and as always, I'd love to see your sushi creations, so don't forget to share them with me on social media. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, happy sushi making. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting recipes and culinary adventures. See you soon!